found with a plentiful supply of coal and oil, which are now being harvested with mines and plantations placed throughout the land. A new goal titled Project has been initiated, aiming to extract and utilize these resources with the goal of expanding the railways and cities to accommodate more homes and jobs, and ensuring a secure future for all citizens. Soda will make the world go round.
Whoa!
Oh, hello there, Jackie. I'm so sorry if I startled you.
Oh, hello, Dilly. And you're all right. I wasn't that startled.
Yeah, silly dilly. Oh, I have these trucks for you to take to the next station. But I do want to warn you. It seems Enrique is in one of his moods again, so I guess be careful around him.
That's something I'd rather not deal with. Nah, don't worry about me, Dilly. He won't give me trouble.
Goodbye, Jackie. I hope we still meet at the sheds or something.
Gee, Enrique, careful.
Careful? Careful? Jackie, look around this place. A train in the middle of the station, things scattered around the yard, me doing your work while you take your time to get here.
I'm literally early.
I don't care. Just get my train ready pronto. I'm tired of doing tank engine work when I have actual important work to do.
Yes, sir. Well, that was annoying, and oddly fast. Whatever, there's no point in worrying about him. I still have work to do. Wait, wasn't that train supposed to be out an hour ago? I mean, might as well take it.
Where the hell is my train?
No way. Tell me you're joking. Don't worry, I'll take care of him. Enrique!
Oh god, anything but them right now.
Hello, Enrique. Seems like you need my help. Have nothing to say? Wow, what a shock there. Really is something, isn't it? Me, a small engine, not knowing nothing about important work, helping you.
Okay, Jackie, okay, I get it. Can you just point me to the next station, please?
All right, fine. Well, I can't just leave you here, so let's go to the next station, shall we?
Thank you, Jackie, really. I'm sorry about earlier. It's just that there's so much work now and very little rest. And the director thinks I'm just some big, powerful engine that could haul everything, but I'm not. And just, I can't even pull a small train without my fire diminishing, my tubes clogging, me breaking down.
Well, I get that, but Enrique, it's been hard for all of us. We all have been doing triple the work and having to be quick on it to keep up. How is it fair to take it out on me?
It isn't fair at all. Honestly, you should have just left me there so that the director would have to deal with me instead.
Like I would do that. It's great to get rest, but do you know what's better?
What?
Helping someone I care about. Oh, I almost forgot. I need to take this train. See you later, Enrique.